Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Eletta cappuccino with us in the shop. And I came in for a mechanic valve swap. Pretty much what that entails is you have to take off quite a lot of the pieces, take off the whole front of the machine. And what you're access to is there's a mechanic valve or a generator in the front, kind of behind this screen here. And what was happening, it was leaking a bunch of water into the drip tray and also straight back into the grounds container. Now we do have no water in the drip tray right now. I emptied it out, and I believe I brewed one shot, so there might be a coffee puck in there, but we are going to test it and show that there's no water, if not very minimal amount of water, going through the machine and through the bottom. Here is the original mechanic valve. It is quite a mess. You can tell that a lot of water and coffee was leaking through the connectors. You can kind of see how this works. So water would run through a generator, which is usually on the left side of the machine. It will push through here. This is what tamps your coffee down and gives or disputes the water. So yeah, it's just really old, really bad, and leaking a bunch of water out of the machine and even coffee out of the machine. And of course, going into your grind chamber. But so yeah, we had to just replace it, and that seems to fix a lot of the issues here. So we're going to quickly brew a single shot. We're doing one cup here. Now, the reason why I don't have a drip tray at the moment here is because I wanted to show that there is always going to be a tiny bit of water that drips through the mechanic valve. As you can see, it just happened right now. And it's only supposed to trickle or, very little amount per shot. But as you can see, coffee's coming out the front fine. This is older coffee, so don't worry about, the freshness of it. That's just because it's old. But mainly what we're concerned about is how much water and coffee is supposed to go into the grounds container. There shouldn't really be much apart from the water that's stuck to the grounds. As you can see, pretty bone dry. Well, there's a little bit of water, but again, that's just from the puck and what it was able to absorb. And as you can see, not a lot of water in the drip tray at all. There is a little bit from the brew, but that's completely normal. That's supposed to happen. That's just how the mechanic valve works. But besides that, yeah, that's about it. That's about all we did to this machine. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.